hear sweet destruction calling my name.
I will become the origin of new change.
Free all the day's slaves while I bury the oppressors. Violence breeds more violence, that's my daughter, let me dress her. Name Vanessa, pull her out the dresser, slap on the suppressor. God bless her, though she has a temper, so you should not stress her. Let her hit him in the chest, penetrate the vest, hit her in the breast, put him on a stretcher. Now they flirting with death, they searching for every breath, yet every breath becomes less. Eyes rolling back.
Back on the video. Today I'm going to deep in my wheels because, you know, the current state of it is kind of, you know, it's bad. You know, the chrome is kind of peeling off and everything. I don't really like it. It looks nasty. So I'm going to try to, you know, see if I can plasti dip it. The only problem is kind of cold outside. It's like 30-something degrees, so I don't know if it's going to work well, but we'll just see, man. I'll go ahead and do it. I'll show you what it looks like. Trying to find a good spot, so I'll see y'all soon. But I'm gonna show y'all quickly what it looks like, man. So I mean, it's been like this for a while, but like the chrome thing, I don't know if y'all can see, but it's like peeling off already and stuff, and it just looks nasty, man. So I'm gonna try to see if I can, you know, hopefully plasti dip. Obviously I'm gonna clean it, you know, I'm gonna clean everything, make it look better, and then I'll try it. Like the whole everything is like that. I think that's the worst one. Yeah, this one you can see it a little bit. I mean, I don't really know what's causing it, but yeah, it's like that everywhere. So clean it first and try to dip in it. See how this goes. Current temperature is 32 degrees. It actually doesn't really feel that cold, to be honest. That's why I'm doing this. Well, yeah, this is what I'm using. Got it from Walmart. I'll spray. And wipe it up. Shouldn't be. Man, look out there. Look, you see the chrome, everything? See everything coming up. I don't know why it's coming up, but anyways. Ow. Well, I'm not looking for perfection though, so it's not gonna be, oh, I'm trying to make it super perfect. I just, you know, I just don't want them seeing all this chrome peeling nonsense. So it's a lot clean. Get all the dirt out of there. Alright, that should be good. Alright, I'll go ahead and do the other ones and I'll pick the phone off when I'm ready to plasti dip it. Best as I could. It's still kind of dirty, as you can see, but so I'm not good perfection. So I'm only gonna be dipping the inside part. I'm not gonna dip the spokes or whatever, you know. So, and I'm not using any tapes or anything, so it's probably gonna be overspray. I'm just gonna peel that off later. And my plan is to do like 4 coats. So let me set this one down somewhere. Alright, coat number 1. See how this goes, man. And I already soaked it in hot water. So if it's cold outside, you want to soak the plastic in hot water. Just to make sure, you know, it comes out good and it's not all jagged and stuff. shit. All right, there we go. Yeah, it's already looking better, man. The reason why I want to do black, it kind of goes with like the black accent things up on the car. So yeah, it's so far so good. Like it's actually sticking on. I didn't think. Well, this side is still wet, so it's still pretty wet. It's gonna take a while to dry, but eventually when I do a couple coats, everything should all look better. So car a little bit, and I had the heater running, and I put the cans on over the vents, and that just make it warm, because when it's so cold you want to make sure the liquid, the deep itself is actually kind of warm, so that way it helps it stick better. So I'm just gonna have it let it warm for a little bit. I still got some more cans there, so should be able to make at least 4 coats, 4 wheels. At least that's the plan. So we'll see how that goes. Man, so it's already looking a lot better. I mean, you can still see a little bit of the chrome thing, but it's not as bad as before I had the deep. It looks pretty good so far, actually. Like, I'm actually pretty surprised it turned out this good. But I'm still gonna try to do because right now I already did 4 coats on all sides, which is kind of crazy. I didn't think I had that much. But what was I saying? Yeah, so I already did 4 coats, and I still have a full can. So I'm just gonna do maybe like 2 more extra coats, and because the more coats you do, the better. So I'm just gonna do 2 extra coats, and I'll call it a day, man, because it already looks good. So yeah, man, I think this was a success, man. So yeah, let me do this coat real quick, man. I'll see y'all real quick. I did 6 coats. I mean, obviously there's some imperfections and stuff, but it's not 100% perfect, but it does look a lot better. And should have done this a while ago, but yeah, man, it looks good. And yeah, you can actually plasti dip in cold weather. Like I said, like 30 degrees right now. It actually even got colder since when I started. So it's possible. You just have to wait a little bit longer between coats for it to dry. So yeah, man, that's the final shot. And hope y'all like the video. Subscribe, and I will go on, man. I'm out.
Yeah.